Stop solving problems the hard way. Introducing the BAB framework. Before, after, bridge. Whether you're chasing runaway projects, juggling supply chain chaos, or buried in stale sales reports, this method takes you from chaos to clarity in minutes. Supply chain. Let's apply the BAB framework to supply chain with these easy prompts. Before, our distribution network is unbalanced. Some warehouses are overstocked while others constantly face stockouts. After, we want an optimized network that maintains stable stock levels, minimizes costs, and meets customer demand swiftly. Bridge. Propose a plan for redistributing inventory, choosing warehouse locations, and implementing real-time data solutions to monitor supply and demand. Want to see the BAB method in action? Join Dr. Hala EL Ouarrak for a 4-hour virtual workshop on AI and BPR applications. Sign up now at hlearn.ca.